Most men doesn't take the first step, not because they don't want the hair, because they are unsure. You are thinking, will force me to buy, or will they able to understand my hair? The hesitation is normal because you only want three things: to look natural, to be confident, and avoid any regrets. So that's why today in this video I'm going to breaking down what is a consultation and how we do consultation at Yalla Hair Salon. So you should be free to book a free consultation at Yalla Hair Salon to start your hair restoration journey. So let's start this video without wasting any more time. The first step we do is understanding you. Consultation is not just about selling the product, it is about understanding the client also. We check your scalp, we check your current hair and what is your goal with the hair system, and your lifestyle, which is the most important part, because hair restoration is just not a product, it is all about to be the right fit. We often ask some questions like, do you want something which is low maintenance? Do you go to gym frequently? Do you want privacy or perfection? And answer of these questions decides everything. When you understand the logic, you stop guessing and start making smart decisions. And second step of a consultation is customizing your look. We don't pick anything random for you. Everything is customized according to you, your color, your density, your hairline, and your perfect attachment method. On paper, these sounds familiar, but in real life, they are totally different from each other. So that's why here we ask more better questions. How much maintenance you can handle? How active is your routine? Are you going to fix a small issue or want a big transformation? Because in the end, small detail makes a big difference. And third step is real life expectations. Because we are living in UAE, so we have to get a reality check of our day-to-day life with the hair system. Because in UAE, where there is heat, humidity, so we cannot get a perfection in just one day. You have to get something which should be reliable for all the weekends and all the month, and it should be stress-free for you, whether you are at your work or travel or all day out. A good consultation gives you the answer, not just the excitement, because the goal is simple. The result should be look good and the thing should work for you. And step 4 of a consultation is clarity equals to the confidence. And confidence doesn't come from the system, it comes from the clarity. You should feel confident and you should know what you are expecting when you trust your decision. That's why we offer a 30 minutes free consultation. No pressure, just ask any question, whether it is for maintenance, price, and real life expectations. Maintenance, cost, durability. We will answer everything honestly, and that's how it should work. And we will answer every question, what will work for you and what doesn't. And that's why in the end, your clarity and decision is everything. That's why we give free consultation to every client at Yalla Hair Salon, so that customer can understand his needs, and we can also tell him what will work for him and what will not work for him, so he can understand better about himself and the system. So if you also want to book your consultation at Yalla Hair Salon, so number is provided in the description, so where you can call and message us and book your free consultation today, and we are always there to help you. So alright, now let's end this video and I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, take care and keep watching Yalla Hair Salon official YouTube channel.